In the interface of Autosteering kits, click on the details of the device. Click on Map. In the Map interface, you can view the real-time operation status of the device. On the left side, the real-time data of the device is displayed, and on the right side, the map shows the actual working track of the device. In the interface of the navigation kit, click on Track Playback. You can query the track playback for the corresponding device and date on the left side. And the map on the right side will display the replay of the device's working track. In the interface of the navigation kit, click on the number corresponding to the Operation Records column, and you can query the operation records of the device. You can select a certain operation record from the left list for query, and the map on the right will display the complete track of the operation record. In addition, you can query all the operation records in the Operation Records interface of the tasks. Similarly, you can filter by device or other information to query the operation records you need. The operation records viewed here allow you to switch the display mode of the operation track. Please refer to the lower left corner of the map, such as the speed diagram, such as the coverage map.